As with any warranty, the details are very important. Roofing warranties in the past have been 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. And what happened with those is that those homeowners selected a 30-year shingle and they thought that it was going to last 30 years. And when there was an issue, or if there was an issue, they ended up getting paid a prorated portion of the shingle cost only. So there wasn't any labor, no dumpster, tear off wasn't included. And so you have a shingle that has failed and your roof needs to be replaced, and you'd get a check for $500 or $800, which isn't going to cover that. So you need to make sure that you're looking through these warranties that are being offered. GAF, all of their shingles are a lifetime shingle warranty. And being a master elite contractor here at Craftsman's Choice, we're able to offer some warranties, the Silver Pledge and Golden Pledge, which GAF knows that we have been trained and we're putting their shingles on properly, and so they're willing to partner with us on the installation side and make sure that the homeowners are taken care of if there ever is an issue. And so with the Golden Pledge warranty, if you use their components, the ice and water shield, shingles, ridge cap, some of those things. So you have an entire roofing system that is meant to be installed together. They'll go out 50 years on your manufacturer's defect, and that's non-prorated. It covers the tear off, it covers the dumpster, it covers the installation, everything. If there's a manufacturer's defect within the first 50 years, you get a new roof. Since they know that we're putting these shingles on properly, they'll also give a 25-year workmanship warranty where, say, the company that put it on goes out of business in 10 years, then from year 10 to 25, GAF, if there's an installation problem with those shingles, GAF will take care of that warranty issue. So the Golden Pledge is really the standard when it comes to shingle warranties, and is something that by installing all the components, all the different pieces for the lifetime roofing system that they've put together, you can put on a new roof and not have to worry about it for 50 years.